Very healthy, crunchy and tasty broccoli fritters. Prepared in air fryer. Please try this once. Cut small size broccoli in florets. Add hot water and leave it for 5 minutes. Strain it out after 5 minutes. Blend it in either food processor or other way. Make sure to squeeze out excess water. Add 1 mid-size finely chopped onions, 1 cup grated carrots, 3 chopped green chillies or to taste, 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons rice flour, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, a half teaspoon crushed black pepper, a half teaspoon chili flakes or to taste, salt to taste, 1 cup gram flour besan or garbanzo flour, 2 teaspoons olive oil. Mix well. In preheated air fryer. Grease basket with olive oil. Grease pan with olive oil. Take a small portion and make flat round shape. Set for 15 minutes at 180 degrees C. After 5 minutes, stop and apply olive oil. Flip it and apply olive oil to this side as well. Check after 5 minutes and flip it. Once ready, take this out. Crunchy, healthy and tasty broccoli fritters ready to serve. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel.